my name is Michael Bopp, and I am the president of the Crescent Riverport Pilots. We're based in New Orleans, and we are a company of 122 ship pilots that navigate the Mississippi River every time a foreign ship comes into the Mississippi River. I was about to move my office, and so I came up with the idea of creating a table that had the river carved in it, and I got in touch with Chagrin Valley Custom Furniture. And I got in touch with a great guy named Sheldon, and I expressed Sheldon of what I wanted to do and what my idea was. And my idea was to take the whole river, carve it in, and make the legs as big anchor chains welded. And he just was crazy about the idea, got as excited as I was to build the table, and it took months for us to design it, but the end product has been something that both Chagrin and the Crescent pilots should be very, very happy. So I'm going to show you the table, and it replicates for the mouth of the Mississippi River, and it's a 19-foot table that starts down at the head of the Southwest Pass in Louisiana, and then goes all the way up. And the table has become a showpiece in my boardroom. And that's where the president sits, down there at the end. But the table has been something that I'm glad that I designed it, and I'm so glad that I got in touch with Sheldon to create this table. And as you can see, the legs of anchor chains, and the table is going to have a lot of very, very important decisions made all around it. So we're proud at the Crescent Riverport Pilots to the table, and I bet you that Sheldon and Chagrin could do a table for you this quality, and you'll be very, very happy. So I want to thank Chagrin Valley for building my table, and I can tell you that'll be pilots sitting around this table for years to come. So thank you, Sheldon. We appreciate Chagrin. Bye-bye.
To hear more testimonials, go to chagrinvalleycustomfurniture.com/testimonials. To learn more or to order authentic custom furniture, call Chagrin Valley Custom Furniture at 440-591-5511 or email customer service at chagrinvalleycustomfurniture.com.